In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset Google Chrome browser. This process can be incredibly helpful if you are experiencing persistent issues with your browser, such as unusual pop-ups, or if your settings have been modified without your consent. A factory reset will essentially restore your Chrome browser to its original default state, just like when you first installed it. All your extensions, cookies, and customized settings will be removed, so it's a good idea to sync or back up important data first if needed. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. In the top right corner of the browser window, you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on this icon. This menu contains a variety of options and is your gateway to accessing Chrome's settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can adjust all sorts of preferences relating to your browser's functions, security, and appearance. On the settings page, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you will find an array of sections dedicated to different aspects of how your browser operates. Look for the section labeled Reset Settings. This is where we will perform the factory reset. Once you click Reset Settings, you will see an option that reads Restore settings to their original defaults. This is the command that will initiate the factory reset. Give it a click and get ready for the final step. A confirmation box will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to reset. This step is crucial as it ensures you really want to proceed with the action, considering the changes it will make to your customized browser setup. If you're certain this is what you want to do, click Reset Settings in the confirmation box to proceed, and there you have it. Your Google Chrome browser will now be restored to its factory settings. This can often make your browser more responsive and help resolve any persistent issues you've been experiencing. Remember, you always have the option to download extensions again and reconfigure your settings to suit your preferences post-reset. It might take a little time to get everything just right, but it can be well worth it for a smooth and issue-free browsing experience. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Wishing you smooth surfing ahead.